This is a very basic way of tracking your time on VS Code. This will be in the description. Kode Studio is made for game development and it's mainly focused on custom software. So what we're going to do is we're going to download it. We're going to go to Properties, browse the file location. This is where it's installed itself. And we're also going to open up VS Code. We're going to open up the file location for VS Code. There you go, it's installed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag everything from VS Code and we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it into the Kode Studio files. Now we wait for the pop-up. There you go, now we've got the replace. We're going to click replace all files. And then we are going to go down to here where it said codestudio.exe. I'm going to rename it by copying it and then deleting it. And then where it says code.exe, which is the VS Code file, we're going to rename that to Kode Studio. Updates it. Now, if we close out of both of these, when we run this, it should launch VS Code, which it does. This is my VS Code. Nice, and now that will track the time. Enjoy wasting your life.